Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have gloss on, so there's like a 99.9% chance that it's going to be all over my teeth, and my mirror like won't like stay up on me. It's like keeps like flopping down, so I can't like look at myself. So just go with it if it does get on my teeth. So I have a huge, well, it's not huge, it's sizable unboxing for you guys. And there's a lot of like really good products, so I just want to share them with you guys. So first, I'm going to be talking about the Wet n Wild Flights of Fantasy. Thank you so much, Wet n Wild, for sending me to this. This is what I have on my face right now. This is what it looks like. There are so many great products in here, and I'm obsessed with these blushes. Oh my god. In the video as well, I swatched all the lip glosses for you guys. Not sponsored, but like I just couldn't get enough of this and these blushes. I'll just like swatch them for you because I really think this needs to be on the internet. Wet n Wild was one of those brands that I never really paid attention to, but they sent me like last summer a bunch of their highlighters, and like, bitch, it's all I wear. And like, look, there's a bird on it, and like, oh, it's so beautiful. I'd swatched one earlier there, but like, look at that. Let me swatch the other one for you. I'm like literally dying. Oh, this one's so pretty. Like, look at that. Oh, they're baked blushes. Are they baked blushes? Yes, they're baked blushes, and they're limited edition, and like, I'm dying. Anyway, there's 3 eyeshadow palettes as well for lip glosses, a makeup primer setting or spray, 2 eyeliners, there's a golden green, and then up here, which smells so good, there's a watermelon lip scrub, which I'm so excited to try. What should we look at next? Let's go into this box. So this one is from IT Cosmetics, and they always send me skincare, so thank you so much, IT Cosmetics. I have this cute little box. It has like a holographic spiel on it. I'm so excited for this, you guys. Oh my God. Okay, so in here we have 2 new skincare items. So let me get the names right here. So we have the Miracle Water, which is a 3-in-1 tonic. And then here we have a secret sauce. So it's a moisturizer and then like a micellar water. I can't get it right. Why does it have to be so hard? Okay, and this packaging, bitch. Okay, like this is so cool. Look, it's all like freaking rainbow holographic. This is just like so cool. I bet Christine is just like dying over this. She's probably just like, hello. So this brightens skin, okay, hold on. It's a skin brightening radiance booster, anti-aging treatment essence, and skin softening micellar cleanser. So it's kind of like an all-in-one. So it's gonna brighten your skin and remove your makeup, cleanse your skin, la da da da. Then the secret sauce, so this is a moisturizer, and I believe all of these have licorice root in them. Am I getting this right? Paraben free, perfect for the most sensitive skin. Secret sauce and Miracle Water are enhanced with enhance the elasticity of the skin. Oh, here, okay. They're using, for the first time, they're using the most powerful fermented ingredients: sugarcane, rice, coconut water, green and black tea, white ginseng, seaweed, pumpkin seeds. Where did I get the licorice root from then? Maybe that was a different product and I'm just like losing my mind. No, it says right here, drops of light technology concentrate. It includes diamond powder, vitamin C, and licorice root for youthful looking, lit from within skin. So I wasn't crazy, I was right. Okay, awesome. And I'll show you the packaging of the secret sauce as well, just if you guys are wondering. Isn't that gorgeous? It has diamond powder in it. Like, I can get down with diamond powder. So thank you so much, IT Cosmetics. I am a spoiled little brat. I'm like confused because there's another box in here. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's from Elf. I remember. This is from Elf Cosmetics. La-di-da-di-da. Isn't this beautiful? So they sent me a whole bunch of their summer essentials, and it came with like a ribbon on it. Super cute. So in here, they're just like, yeah, they're just like sending me a whole bunch of their favorites for summer, and this is so amazing. So this palette in here, I don't know how much exactly this palette is, but this is the rose gold eyeshadow palette in the shade Sunset. Just, I hope you're sitting down right now because look how beautiful this is. I don't even know, like this color, get it on me. This color, get it on me. All of it, get it on me. This is so beautiful. This almost reminds me of like a Naked palette almost. I just love the hues that are in here. The hues, ew, I sound so pretentious. The hues in here are really adaptable to my skin tone. Anyway, we also have a face mask, which I haven't never tried this one, but it's lemon infused. Okay, and then we have a whole bunch of just other summer essentials and favorites in here. We have a Power Glow highlighter, we have some booster drops, and then we also have a glow lotion. I should do like an all e.l.f. cosmetics tutorial. I think that's what I'm going to do. And then they also sent along a mirror. I hope everyone's okay. So thank you so much, e.l.f., for all of the goodies. I cannot wait to wear them for summer. Now this next one, do you see this nice sapphire paper here? Do you guys know what is new that is sapphire in the world? Because like I gagged, this may be, okay, my most favorite PR package ever was from Urban Decay. It was last year, maybe around this time, when they sent me the Naked Heat palette, and a day before the palette arrived, they sent me a box of like all spicy and like heat foods. Heat foods? What? Okay, anyway, you guys get it. That was probably one of my favorites, but this was also one of my favorites because I'm dying. I'm gagged, I'm shooked. That's not a word. So Beauty Blender sent along this beautiful little glass chest, and inside of it they sent me 7 of, I was Instagramming, so these ones don't belong in here, but they sent me 7 of their Saphire beauty blenders. And like, thank God, because boy eats my beauty blender, so I have holes in all of my beauty blenders. No matter what I do, he somehow gets a hold of them. And like my Alex stores, he knows how to open them too, because he's just like a little bugger. Anyway, so I have 7 of their Sapphires. Like, thank you so much. Yeah, it's Saphire. Dazzling new shade. Same exclusive aqua activated material. I'm dying. Thank you so much, Beauty Blender. And like, how cute is this little chest? I'm such a spoiled little brat. I don't even know what, like, thank you. So next up, I'm gonna talk about this huge heavy box right here, because this also had me like a little bit like, oh my God. Like, I don't even know what is happening in my life these days when all of these brands want to send me this stuff. Like, I just think I'm just like a loser. So anyway, here we have the Cover FX. Oh my God, you guys, I'm dying. So this is the new foundation. This is the Power Play foundation. I have all, I believe there are 40 shades in here. Like, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to do. I am gonna do a review on this foundation because I have all of them. I have used a couple. I did one of my friend's makeup and I like played around with these. It's beautiful. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys. And like, Cover FX, thank you so much. I'm dying. Okay, I see that my battery wants to die, so I'm gonna try and quickly get through this stuff. In here, I cannot believe Rimmel did this. So this is from Rimmel. I'm so excited to show you guys this. Now, if you guys have seen, it's like, it always pops up as an ad actually, my lip swatch video for the Rimmel liquid matte lip colors. Look what Rimmel did, okay? This is their new like nude extension for it, but look at, they put a little thing of my face here on one of my photos. Isn't that so cool? So we have all of the new shades here. There are 14 of the new, nude shades here, and then we also have an eyeshadow palette up here as well. I'm dying for this. I'm so excited. And like, look at my face. Can you believe it? I mean, what is this, just like a booklet? This is so cool. Like, I'm such a spoiled brat. Thank you so much, Rimmel. I cannot wait to try these out, and you best know that I'll be doing a lip swatch video for them. Now, I know you guys gagged over the Cover FX stuff, but just like sit down again because this is just as exciting. Actually, all of this stuff is exciting. It's like, I can't rank it. Look what Too Faced sent me. They sent me, this is fun to be a girl, their new Peaches and Cream Perfect Foundation. Oh my God. Okay, so this is great for photo. I was Instagramming this, so I kind of know what it is. Great for photos. It's like a medium coverage-ish. Has 14-hour wear, I believe is what it said. Is that what it said? Yeah, 14-hour wear. A natural matte finish. It's oil free, oil controlling, photo friendly, and shine free. And when it goes on, it's super beautiful. So the three lightest shades are Swan, Snow, and Porcelain. You really have to blend it in to your skin to really get the color, because I was swatching them and they seemed a bit dark, but like the colors are actually gorgeous. And not that there's a huge range here yet, but for it being the first launch of it, like typically brands launch a foundation and then come out with a shade extension, which I know is so annoying, but these ones down here are actually fairly deep, which good on you, Too Faced. Like there is like a decent enough shade extension. I don't know. I don't want to talk about the whole like shade things, because I just don't, that's a road I don't even want to go down. But anyway, this guy, it comes with a pump and it smells divine. It smells like, I have something in my face. It smells like peaches and cream. It is just delicious. Packaging is so cute. I love this whole peach thing that they have going on. I'm just, it's so cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. Now in here, I'm gonna share this with you guys. This is a huge box and I have some contacts in here. Pinky Paradise reached out to me, and Pinky Paradise is pretty much like where a lot of people get a lot of their contacts. So they have these new contacts that they have sent to me, and I have a whole bunch of different colors. I have brown, blue, green, and yellow. So I think I'm gonna be having to put on some contacts, and they sent me like little cases for them as well. So cute. I'm really excited actually to put the brown ones on. I think they allowed, did I pick my own colors here? I can't remember if they allow me to pick my own colors or if they just sent them to me, but I'm really excited for the brown ones because I've never had brown eyes before. And I know that like people with blue eyes always want brown eyes, people with brown eyes always want blue eyes, blah, 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 blah. But I'm so excited to try these. So I don't know if I have a discount code with Pinky Paradise, but if you guys are buying contacts, if I do have one, I'll list it down below. Or if you do want to buy contacts, use a coupon code. Not even mine, just anybody's coupon code, so you can get some money off. Anyway, so got some of those. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. My battery is going to die, so see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.